Hello there. As you can clearly see it, I'm in some remote Norwegian wilderness in an unknown location. And I'm gonna do something a bit stupidish, but I was playing for this thing for a long time. I'm gonna put corpse paint, the authentic Norwegian black metal corpse paint on my face, and I'm gonna pose for my latest black metal photo shoot here in Järvakskill, whatever the fuck is the name of this place. Yeah, so let us begin. So we're gonna put the white color on my face. All of them whites, all over the nose. This will take a while. It took me like 20 minutes last time. But no biggie, no problem. Yeah, kids don't do this at home, or near Catholic churches, that is. You don't want to get your priests going full berserk mode. Imagine if somebody sees that. Man. That would be dumb. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough of this face paint. Probably just cars, eh? Imagine 34 years of age putting corpse paint in the middle of forest in Norway. Yeah. I mean, the black metal singers, they're far older than me. Some of them in their early 50s now. They're still wearing on-stage makeup. So. What do you think? You just need to apply it evenly. Okay, so we put the base color, the white one, see? Now I'm going to continue with the blacks around my eyes, and then we're going to finish off with, you know, like teardrops from deepest, blackest sorrows of furthest regions of Norway. Nice, panda, Kung Fu Panda. Panda eyes. This is so freaking awesome. No need to reapply whites back. Nice. Now with the lips. Kissy kissy. Now on the hard part. We're gonna use a thin brush like this and dip it in a little bit of water. I certainly hope nobody finds us here. Dip it into the black color. And then we'll draw lines from the eyes. With a little fade effect because of the water, see? Look better. It is symmetrical at least. There. A tad of black. Just a itsy bitsy tad of black onto the lips. We're good. Okay, all we need is a wet wipe to get this thing off of my face. And it goes fairly easily. Last night I had a corpse paint tryouts the other day. Worst thing is when it gets thick into your eyes, probably need to take a shower afterwards to get 100% off of my skin. I look like I was in a kind of working in a coal mine. We're getting beat up the night before. Oh God! You could speed it up with just a towel. Dip it in the snow, just like I did. Fresh Norwegian snow. And just... And this thing gets into your eyebrows and eyelashes. You look like one of those emo kids. Well, nothing a cold or maybe warm shower won't do. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching me making a fool out of myself in the middle of goddamn Norwegian nowhere. And yeah, I always wanted to do this. I always wanted to do the black metal, svarte metal photo shoot in Norway. And dreams do come true. And people stay tuned. And thank you for watching this video. Stay heavy.